In this video, you will learn how to use YouTube Premium on multiple devices. Subscribe to YouTube Premium. Make sure you have an active YouTube Premium subscription through your Google account, family or individual plan, depending on your device. Install the YouTube app. Download and install the YouTube app on each device you plan to use, such as your smartphone, tablet, smart TV or streaming device. Log into your Google account, open the YouTube app on each of the devices, then sign in using your Google account associated with your premium subscription. Enjoy your premium features. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to ad-free videos, offline downloads, background play, YouTube music across all these different devices. Upgrade to a family plan. If you want to share premium benefits with others, switch to a family plan. You can invite up to 5 family members, including and using their own Google accounts on any device. Now you know how to use YouTube Premium on multiple devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.